What's up guys, Zalaki here, and today we're doing some demo on the condo, taking stuff out, taking cabinets down, taking the molding out. I've got people coming in, planned days sometime this week or next week. I'm hoping this week they can get me squeezed in. It's a couple of people my stepdad knows that are really good at what they do. So hopefully I can get them in here this week after we get all the demo done and everything ready, and maybe next week or the following week be ready to move in. But let's start taking stuff apart. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not working. Whoops. Oh! Flying nails. Watch out. Alright, I've been at it for a few hours, guys. I'm gonna go pick up some food, find out my work schedule, and come back to it. Well, I just walked out of my store, and thank goodness I'm off tonight. Broke, young, dumb, and broke. Isn't that how it goes? You're young, dumb, and broke? Broke, young, dumb. Come on, let's go! It's McDonald's, and the line is ridiculous. I would expect this from In-N-Out, not McDonald's. And they've got two lines, two order spots. I just want a soda. Oh yeah, sorry everybody at work, but I'm cheating. I couldn't help it. Well, I could have helped it, but yeah, it's too good. I'm back. McDonald's is really long line. Look at you guys, I got some free dog food. What's up, guys? Oh, it's a little dark. One second. Alright, is that a little better? A little better, hopefully? Alright. Well, I just got back from tearing the condo apart and throwing all the trash away and clean up and all that. And I'm home now, about to clean up, shower, change, get ready for the rest of the day. I'm going to be editing this video and a little sneak peek for tomorrow's video. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. But, yeah, here we go. It's by Creative. Come on, Creative, sponsor me already. I love your products. I mean, I would never say they're terrible. Come on. Creative Outlier 1. Wireless Bluetooth Sweat-proof in-ear speakers. Speakers, in-ear headphones. Yeah, so I'm going to check these out, let you guys know how I like them. I didn't really need these, but it was brand new from Creative. and they had a 50% off for the first, I think it was first 100 or 400 people, something like that. So I was like, why not? So with the discount price, they're 20 bucks. Regular retail price is 400. I'm going to test these out, do a little video on them, and upload, and hope you guys enjoy it. This will be tomorrow or Wednesday. But yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Just a little vlog style, a little update on the place, little sneak peek at tomorrow, and that sums it up. Later.